你们好，我想问一下，在哪里看那个花车最好啊？
你就在旁边对面那地方路口找个地方站着嘛。
So in order to get a better position to take the film, so everybody is waiting here about 2 and 3 hours earlier.
你好，请你配合一下啊，不要站到上面绿化带上面去。这位大姐，请配合一下，请你站上去。
After 3 hours waiting, they are coming. This parade shows different ethnic cultures. It stands for unity, happiness, and good wishes. People celebrate together and wish for a better life. It shows our colorful cultures. It means peace, joy, and togetherness.
Oh, so long. What's this? 我说这个乐器叫什么？高声。
还有表演，这小朋友表演好乖哦。
哎呀，你好乖，你好乖，你好棒，好棒，好棒！
It shows about 13 local ethnic groups in Xishuangbanna. It shows all our different cultures living together in peace and happiness.
这什么琴呢？
湖南族的弹唱。看一下，我给你拍个 pose。哎，好乖哦，漂亮。
美女，给个镜头，谢谢。Parade is over. So, colorful ethnic group, colorful culture, colorful China. Amazing.